Alright everyone, this is Annette, and welcome to my scrapbooking corner, and I have another layout using navy puzzle cards. I'm going to use these glasses layers from Paintbrush Studio the best day. Hey Sabrina, do the thing that Poppers are doing. Hey baby girl. You want your... Oh, be careful. Oh, wait, drink. No. If I give you the lookable, you know he's gonna come. He is. You know he's gonna come. So I'm just figuring out what size I need to cut everything down. Max, no! 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 You don't need to get up any sooner. Oh, and then that is like a kind of a bluish gray layer, which is from Hit Kit Club September Days. Yep, Sabrina. And then I'm going to use this card slot from the card slot that was left over. Get my tops sticking dirty out. Hurry up, Sabrina. Are you done? Try to hold the deal off. You done? I guess I can do you each your own here. So you don't bother her. There. Here's yours. I'll stick it on my table because I don't wash it anyway. Your pen. Now here. Put yours right here on the pen. Here you go. Oops. Sabrina, you got some here. Sit right here. Kiki. There you go. Oh, cats. It's not the puppies, it's the cats. Oh my goodness. Gracious. Here. I think she wants this. Here. I have some of this. Oh, wow, you looked that up fast. There you go. Alright, so those cards were cut from Vicky Booten, Color Study. And the die cuts are September Days. What's the rest? No. Alright. This thing. Oh, goodness. I didn't realize for house cats that don't go outside, your paws get so doggone dirty. So I'm just looking through to figure out what else I can use. I use an aqua circle from Hit Kit Club September Days. And this is, our school has parent nights, literacy parent nights, where from 5:30 or 5 to 7 or 5:30 to 7, they can come with their kids and visit each grade level and for ideas on what they can do at home to help their child improve in reading. And there's Sabrina. Anyway, and so Mateo liked to help out, so we put him in charge of sight word bingo. And so its time is September Days Puppy Stickers, and for bingo it's Paintbrush Studio Happy Home from July. Oh my gosh, and then there's the dog. He was bothering me. So he was wanting up. So I was like, oh, his tail's going a mile a minute. Oh, geez. I can't tell if that was Max or Jax. I told him you're getting way too stinking big. But anyway, that completes my layout. And when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for being so patient.